All 4 suspects accused of murdering Linda Frickey in a brutal carjacking have now been approved to stand trial.
Yeah, today the judge found one of them competent after she spent at least 60 days in a mental health facility. Alyssa Curtis is joining us live tonight with the latest on this high-profile case. And Alyssa, what does this all mean for the case?
Well, this decision now means Lenyra Theophile, can now participate and stand trial for the death of Linda Frickey instead of waiting until some more time until those doctors deem she is competent. She spent a few months in a mental health facility, and today 3 doctors all agreed she is now competent and now can participate. When that trial date does come next year, this likely means that all 4 defendants can stand trial together.
A weight has been lifted off Linda Frickey's family.
He knew right from wrong. They all knew right from wrong. They were old enough to know right from wrong, and they chose wrong.
Thursday, Lenyra Theophile was found competent to stand trial for the brutal carjacking after 3 doctors all agreed. The minimum score to be deemed competent is 80%. Theophile first scored 56.6% months ago. May 8th, she scored 84%. This now means Theophile can understand the nature of the proceedings and assist in her defense. Frickey's family now hoping this means one single trial.
When it's separate, they try to throw all the blame on one of the other ones. Yeah, let them all go at one time.
Thursday, Judge Kimya Holmes also objected to expert testimony the defense was trying to bring in. The expert would have been used to talk about child brain development. It's an argument Frickey's family is firmly against.
They keep coming back, oh, their brains aren't developed. Well, you could take a 5-year-old child and they'll tell you, you don't take things that don't belong to you and you don't hurt people. Pretty simple concept.
Law professor Dane Cialino says he's not certain why the defense thinks that testimony would be relevant in this case.
Typically, if a defendant is tried on a not guilty plea rather than on an insanity plea, then mental health testimony is excluded from evidence. So the defense's request to put on that sort of expert testimony is quite unusual.
After Thursday, the Frickey family is ready for the trial they hope will make a change.
Where these juveniles quit getting a slap on the wrist and let right back out to commit even worse crimes because there's no accountability.
The trial date is set for March 18th of next year. The trial was supposed to start in April of this year, but Judge Holmes did delay it. The district attorney is working to appeal that trial date and hopefully go to court sooner. Reporting live in front of criminal court, Alyssa Curtis, Eyewitness News.